Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to change your Linktree username in under 30 seconds in the easiest way possible. Let's get started. First, click on the following link, dii.ma/linktree_username. You can find this link in the first comment below. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and log into your Linktree account. If you're already logged in, you'll be redirected directly to your account settings. In the account settings, scroll down to the account management section, where you'll see your current username. Next, click on the three-dot icon, also known as the meatball menu, on the right. Select Change Username from the drop-down menu. Now, you can change your Linktree username. Once you're done, click Review Username Change. And then, click Confirm Change. And that's it. You just changed your Linktree username in under 30 seconds. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tutorial videos like this one.